How to use WhatsApp channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use WhatsApp channel to its full potential. So for that, all you have to do is just create a WhatsApp channel of your own. Just open your WhatsApp account on your smartphone, and after that just click on the update icon from the top, and here you will have the option to create a WhatsApp channel. As you can see that I've already created my WhatsApp channel right here. So when you click on your channel, so there are many users of WhatsApp channel. So it's basically a one-way broadcasting tool. It is not like your usual conversation where two people are communicating between each other. It is a one-way communicating tool when someone can share their day, their feelings, their thoughts and everything with the followers of the particular channel or the community that you have created. You are the only person who will going to have all the access and links to the channel, and the people who are following you will get to see whatever you will post in that particular channel. Also enable administrators to send various type of content such as text messages, photos, videos, stickers, polls, to help their user discover channel that matches their interest. So when you will open your channel, you will see these two options, share channel link and share my story. So when you will click on share channel link, you will be able to share link of your channel with your family and friends, or you can also share it on your social media platform like on your YouTube video or in your Instagram account or any other platform that you would want your followers to come and join you in your WhatsApp channel. And when you click on share my status, you will be able to share your current status in a form of a story in this channel. So these are the few uses of the WhatsApp channel. So it basically allows you to communicate with your followers in a very personal note. You don't have to post stories like your WhatsApp status or your Instagram stories. Here you will share these stories with people who are interested in knowing what you are doing in your daily life. So these are the few ways through which you can use your WhatsApp to its full potential. So this is basically how you will be able to use WhatsApp channel. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.